Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Daily. I'm so happy you're here today. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me to improve your English. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope this lesson helps you feel a little more confident every time you speak English. Today we're going to learn one of the most useful beginner topics. Our topic is my daily routine. It's a topic you'll use in many real conversations. When someone asks, "What do you do every day?" you'll know exactly how to answer. We'll learn how to talk about your morning, your work or school day, and how you spend your evening. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to English Daily, give this video a like, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about the morning. Every new day begins with a simple routine. Most people wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, and prepare for work or school. We'll learn each step together. Our first expression is, wake up. Please repeat after me. Wake up. One more time. Wake up. Excellent. Now let's use it in a complete sentence. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. This is a very common sentence that you can use every day. What time do you wake up? Try answering with, I wake up at. Great job. Next, let's continue with the next activity. After I wake up, I make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. The expression we'll practice is, brush teeth. Please repeat after me. Brush teeth. Again. Brush teeth. Excellent. Now let's put it into a sentence. I brush my teeth every morning. That's an easy sentence, but it's something people say all the time. As you keep practicing, these simple sentences will become natural. After that, it's time for breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. It gives us energy for school, work, and all the activities ahead. Let's practice the word together. Breakfast. One more time. Breakfast. Very nice. Now listen to this sentence. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Can you say it with me? I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Wonderful. Now let's move to the next part of the day. After breakfast, most people go to work or go to school. These are two expressions you'll use very often. Let's practice together. Go to work. Again. Go to work. Now the second one. Go to school. One more time. Go to school. Excellent. Here are two examples. I go to work every morning. I go to school every day. With these simple expressions, you can already describe an important part of your daily routine. Finally, let's talk about the evening. After a busy day, everyone needs time to rest. Many people have dinner, spend time with their family, read a book, watch TV, or simply relax. The word we'll practice is, relax. Please repeat after me. Relax. One more time. Relax. Great. Now let's use it in a sentence. I relax in the evening. Very good. Now let's review everything we've learned today. First, I wake up. Next, I brush my teeth. After that, I have breakfast. Then, I go to work or go to school. Finally, I relax in the evening. Now you can describe a simple day in English from morning to evening. That's a great achievement, and every lesson you practice makes your English a little stronger. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something useful. If you did, please subscribe to English Daily, give this video a like, and share it with someone who's learning English too. Keep practicing a little every day. Small steps lead to big progress. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.